Hello everyone, my topic is about how to speak fluent English. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, I believe you all want to speak good English. Now let me give you some advice. Don't be afraid of losing phrase. Don't be afraid of making mistake. Don't be afraid of practicing your English. Don't be ashamed of speaking poor English. Don't be ashamed of being laughed at. Don't be ashamed of staring at. The only real shame is that you never open your mouth. The only the only ways to learn English is never too afraid and never be ashamed. It's not it's never too late to make a change in your life. Don't be afraid. No pain, no gain. You can make it. You're right. You're right. Thank you. Listen me. Goodbye.